Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss.
Hey y'all, it's Ivory, and I am here with my first YouTube video. Today I will be showing y'all how to do a flawless middle part traditional sew-in with crimps. And today we have Sydney with us. So far I just started off by parting her hair down the middle, braiding her leave out, and now I'm just doing 2 anchor braids on each side of her leave out. I do about 15 to 17 braids all around. Now, as y'all can see, I used a net, and she played too much, but I used a net, braided her down, oiled her down, and now we're on to the first bundle. I always start the first bundle right behind the ear, and I keep that bundle right below the ear. She did have a little trouble dyeing her bundles, so y'all just gotta trust the process when it comes to the hair color. Alright y'all, my first bundle is in. Now this is my stopping point for my second one. Alright, now we finishing up on the third bundle. As y'all can see, I am curving my tracks all the way up to the top. On each side, that's how you get that natural fall.
Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
I'm using my Nairobi mousse, but y'all can really use whatever mousse y'all want. Now this is the moment when you start seeing everything come together. I put her under the dryer for like 10 minutes, and now we're about to blow dry the weave straight. Alright y'all, now we are all straightened out. I'm gonna section off her hair and start doing her edges. Alright, now we getting into the crimps. I always start off by spraying before I crimp, and I also spray after I crimp. I hold each crimp for about 5 seconds, and once I move it down, I put it in the exact area where my last crimp is at. And the comb helps to hold the hair in place as you move it down. And there I go again, spraying, crimping, and spraying.
Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
I don't know if y'all ever did crimps before, but if you know, you know. These take all day. And Sydney had to get to her photo shoot, so at this point I'm rushing. Like, I'm trying to hurry. Alright, crimps is done. The crimps are crimping. Super cute. Super cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see, and I will see y'all next week.